Welcome to this month's newsletter. Today is December 8th. We're looking at the SPX S&P 500. Very bullish chart. We have broken across about this long-term trend line, doing like a 1, 2, 3 pattern in progress. You just have to be careful. It definitely has a possibility to do a double top at this point, but I wouldn't. I would still think the bulls are in control. So continue to hold long positions. Lot of these stocks are above the Kijun, so that could be used as a stop in case things head south again. But we definitely are looking at a bullish chart. Same scenario on the Nasdaq. Kicker type signal here, very powerful. So continue to hold long positions in tech stocks. Oil moving sideways here. We do seem to be breaking out, doing a Kumo break. Wouldn't be afraid to buy above these highs with a stop below the Kijun. So now remember that there's a flat span B here which can attract prices back to it, but we do have these upcoming support lines via the Tenkan and the Kijun. So if you keep your stop below the Kijun, that should provide a good stop out point. Gold seems to be losing its luster here. Tried to rally from a double bottom up to the Kijun and then a kicker signal to the downside. I would not be afraid to short gold below these lows. Now, having said that, if you look at the weekly chart, we are still bullish on the weekly, so you might not get much of a move on the daily chart. You might support on the weekly Kijun here, so keep that in mind. Dollar, looking at UUP, nothing there yet. I would avoid the dollar at this point until the Chicago is free of this congestion area. We do have a kicker type signal, but that kicker type signals are not uncommon in this thinly traded index, UUP. So I would hold it until we clear these. The Chicago at least gets clear. And somebody asked me on Amazon, nothing there yet. Chicago is still below the candles, and you're in a sideways move here. I would wait to buy Amazon until it gets a clear chart. Netflix, if I look at the weekly chart, it's coming up to test the weekly Kijun, so I would avoid buying it long at this point. Might have a little bit of retracement, test the weekly Tenkan, and then maybe power higher up, but I don't want to buy it right here against resistance on the weekly chart. Las Vegas, this one looks good. It broke out of a longer term downtrend line, and now it's also broken about the shorter term trend lines with a gap up. That's a sign of good strength. I wouldn't be afraid to buy it over these highs. That would be it.